Hello guys, welcome to Cypher Finance, and today we are going to be talking about the ENURI platform. I have a lot to tell you guys, so make sure you watch till the end. If you have any questions, you can send me a DM and I'll attend to your question. For those that are new to Cypher Finance, in this site we talk about cryptocurrency and insights. We talk about the potential meme coin point and also analyze Bitcoin. It has been a while. I'm going to analyze Bitcoin maybe today and also tomorrow, so you guys could see what I think about Bitcoin. But for now, I made emphasis on giving you an earning site, which is a site which I feel like you can earn more TRC and USDT, so you build up your portfolio. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Welcome back guys. So today I'm going to be telling, or I'll be adding a video for those who want to upgrade to the level 2, which is Walmart level 2, and I'm also going to show you guys why some of you need to upgrade to the level 2, because it gives faster earning. As you can see, I have my processing payment of 102 USDT. So now if we can go to the about of the ENURI platform, I'm going to show you guys to upgrade fully to the level 2 platform, what guys how to upgrade to the level 2. I first want to introduce the ENURI platform to those that are watching this video for the first time. Now the ENURI platform is where you can earn USDT by grabbing. Your grabbing will take the amount or the goods you earn from the eBay, the Walmart, the Alero to the top of or making it the most searched or the most bought goods, because you're buying it through the iCloud, which will in turn bring a commission to you also. Okay, when you automatically buy the goods, I'm going to show an example now. I searched for these goods, or I automatically grab these goods. So after my automatic grab, there will be a processing. Okay, there'll be a processing, and the goods will come out. As you can see, Adidas original fiber bag track pants, noble green MD. Now this product will be going up to one of the most searched or the most bought goods, which also act as an advertising agent. So ENURI is generally an advertising site, but you can earn USDT by grabbing. So your grabbing is what helps to earn more. Why you need to deposit is because you need an actual money to grab, and the return will be your commission, which will cause an increase in the money. As you can see, I've made up to 545 USDT on this site, and I told you also make sure to invest where you can afford to risk. Now guys, let's look at if you want to upgrade to the level 2, which has much or higher earnings than the level 1. Okay guys, welcome back, and we are at the beginners tutorial where I'm going to lecture you now. Introduction to the account levels. The level 1 do not need any subordinates, which most of you are all in, but for those that need to increase to the level 2 and earn higher, you need about 5 active first users, and I'm going to show you that, because and your account balance need to be above 500 USDT. For the level 3, sorry, you need 12 active 5 users, and I'm going to show you from the example. Like if you look at my team report, the first level members are about 55, but the active ones are what they are going to count. My active members today are 12 going to 13. It's usually 15 to 16. So when they come online and they make their earnings for today, is going to reflect there. So that's how to upgrade to the level 2. Like I told you guys, the platform is still paying at the time I'm making this video, but invest what you can risk. And the platform is there is also a group chat. I'm going to post the WhatsApp link down below. If you follow the link to a group chat and you successfully join, you'll be getting all updates on the ENURI platform. Remember, it's a WhatsApp group chat. Please, there's no spamming in the WhatsApp messages. So that is all for the upgrading of the level. Okay guys, that is all for upgrading the levels, or the level 1 and the level 2. So I don't know why you haven't registered in this site. I talked about it since March, and it's still paying out. Those of you that haven't joined, you're missing out a lot. And as you can see, a lot of people are earning and withdrawing every day. My team balance is up to 2030, and the team cash flow is 2030. The team cash flow is 21,000 USDT. So there's a lot to earn from this site, and you can also earn from inviting your friends also. So invite your friends. All you have to click is the friends invitation, where you'll be taken to
a link or a code which you can copy and give your friends for successful invitation. If you want to register in this platform, my link is down below if you want to start earning the USDT. And I also told you our WhatsApp link is down below. If you are confused about or you have any question, join the WhatsApp link and ask your question and be provided with some answers. That will be all for the earning. I told you I'll be making a Bitcoin analysis very soon. A lot of earning sites coming your way. Make sure to stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and like. Please guys, subscribe and like. We are all one family. If you have any coin you want me to make analysis of, you DM me and then I'll make the analysis. That'll be all for Cypher Finance. Thanks for watching and many more gains to your wallet.